Step 1. Insert each shelf board, A, straight down into the slots on the support bars, B. Shelf orientation options. The shelves can be installed in 2D or rent orientations, depending on your preferred look, as shown in the illustrations. Step 2. Secure each connection using hex button head bolts 1 and flat washers 2. Tighten using the provided Allen key 6. Step 3. Choose your desired shelf location on the wall. Using the grill jig 7, as in wall anchor spacing dimensions, line up and mark the spots where you will need to drill holes for the wall anchors 4, 5. Step 4. Finally, lift the assembled shelf unit and bring it toward the wall. Align the top keyhole brackets on the back of the support bars B with the top screws installed in the wall anchors 4, 5. Slowly lower the shelf unit onto the top screws, ensuring it is securely seated and properly supported before releasing your hold.